Welcome to the exciting world of blogging. In this section, we'll explore the power of blogging and how it allows you to share your voice with the world. Blogging has truly exploded in recent years. It's evolved beyond a simple hobby into a powerful platform. Today, millions of people across the globe use blogs to share their thoughts, expertise, and creativity. Blogs have become a vital source of information, entertainment, and connection. But what exactly is blogging? At its core, it's akin to having an online journal or magazine. It's a space where you can regularly post written content, photos, and even videos. This content can cover anything you're passionate about, whether it's travel, food, technology, or personal finance. The real beauty of blogging lies in its accessibility and reach. Anyone with an internet connection can start a blog. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a professional writer. All you need is a message, a story to tell, or knowledge to share. In today's digital age, blogging offers incredible potential. It's a way to connect with like-minded individuals, build a community, and even generate income. Whether you're looking to express yourself creatively, establish yourself as an expert in your field, or earn money online, blogging can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor. So, you're ready to embark on your blogging journey? That's fantastic! The first step is to choose a blogging platform. There are numerous free and paid options available, each with its own set of features and benefits. Popular platforms like WordPress, Blogger, and Medium offer user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates, making it easy to design a blog that reflects your style. Once you've selected your platform, the next crucial step is to define your niche. What topics are you passionate about? What knowledge or skills do you want to share with the world? Choosing a specific niche will help you target your audience and establish your blog as a go-to resource. Remember, consistency is key in the blogging world. Establish a regular posting schedule that you can realistically maintain, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Delivering fresh, engaging content on a consistent basis will keep your readers coming back for more. In the realm of blogging, content is king. It's what draws readers in, keeps them engaged, and encourages them to share your blog with others. When creating content, it's crucial to prioritize quality over quantity. What does this mean? It means crafting well-written, informative, and engaging posts that provide value to your readers. Your blog posts should be well-researched, insightful, and offer a fresh perspective on your chosen niche. Don't be afraid to inject your personality into your writing. Share personal anecdotes, use humor, and write in a conversational tone to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Visual appeal matters too. Incorporate high-quality images, videos, and even infographics to break up the text and make your blog posts more visually appealing. Remember, your goal is to captivate your readers and keep them coming back for more. Section 4. Monetizing your musings, turning passion into profit. One of the most exciting aspects of blogging is the potential to earn income from your passion. Monetizing your blog takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, you can turn your words into a sustainable income stream. One of the most common ways to monetize a blog is through advertising. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to display targeted ads on your blog. Each time a visitor clicks on an ad, you earn a small fee. Another popular method is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services on your blog. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Sponsored posts are another lucrative avenue. Companies may pay you to write about their products or services or to feature their brand on your blog. Section 5. Exploring diverse income streams beyond the ads. While advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts are popular monetization methods, they're not the only options available to bloggers. Diversifying your income streams can lead to greater financial stability and open up new opportunities for growth. Consider creating and selling your own digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or printables. These products can provide immense value to your audience while generating passive income for you. If you have a loyal following, you could explore offering premium content or services through a membership or subscription model. This could include exclusive content, online communities, or personalized coaching. Another option is to leverage your blog as a platform to promote your freelance writing, photography, or other services. By showcasing your skills and expertise on your blog, you can attract potential clients and expand your business. And Section 6. Unleash your inner blogger. The rewards await. Embarking on a blogging journey can be both exhilarating and rewarding. It's a chance to share your passions, connect with a global audience, and potentially earn a living doing what you love. Remember to choose a niche that truly excites you. Your passion will shine through in your writing and resonate with your readers. Invest time in crafting high-quality content that provides value, insights, and entertainment. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful blog takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep refining your strategies, engaging with your audience, and producing exceptional content. Embrace the learning process. The world of blogging is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, experiment with different monetization methods, and never stop learning and growing. The rewards of blogging are well worth the effort.